So second chapter of the first year mathematics 1B is transformation of axis. In the name only we have transformation. So the meaning of the transformation meaning is changes which we are changing means we are changing the axis. So this transformation of axis is done in the two ways. Transformation of axis is done in two ways. So this is the two ways. First one is without changing the changing the origin. Second one is without changing the origin. So first one is called the translation of axis. Translation of axis. Second one is rotation of axis. Rotation of axis. So what is the translation of axis means? Translation of axis means so the changing of axis, the changes of axis by done change of axis without changing the direction, without changing the direction, without changing the direction, without changing the direction of axis, if shifted to, if origin is shifted to another point, if origin is shifted to another point, don't write, listen first. Shifted to origin, shifted to another point is called the translation of axis, is called translation of axis. So here we can do in the problem here, we know this is the x-axis, it is original x-axis, original y-axis is there. So it is a original x-axis and original y-axis is there. So this point intersection point is we are taken, this is O small x small y. We have to change the axis without changing the direction, without changing the direction. So here I'm taking this values, we have to shift the origin to the another point, we have to shift the another point origin to the another point here, this is this one. So this is shifted to the another point O dash. So h comma k, here the origin coordinates are 0 comma 0. So O dash is h comma k, and this is a capital X new axis, and capital Y is a new Y axis. So here we have to write OX is original X axis, original X axis. O small y is original Y axis, original Y axis. So here O dash capital X is new Y axis, new X axis. O Y dash is new Y axis. So it is changed as a new system. So we have does not change the direction of X axis, and we have does not change the Y axis direction. Just we are done the origin shifted to the another point. Origin is shifted to the another point. Here it is. Origin is shifted to the another point. So this is called the translation of axis. Translation of axis. If you taken any point in this one with respect to the P, with respect to the old system, the coordinates are becomes as x comma y. With respect to the new system, the coordinates are becomes as capital X comma capital Y. Then we have to find out this, what is the changes in the small x and small y, and the small capital X and capital Y. We have to take this values here. See this, here it is, this up to here, it is O some value, or if you extended this value here with another color, If you taken a black color here from this, so here it is. This is a perpendicular line onto the both the axes, and next here also a perpendicular line onto this value. So this names are, if you taken this names are, it is L, it is L dash, it is M dash, it is M. So from the diagram, we can observe OL is equals to small x, O dash L dash is equals to capital X, and if you taken some point here, it is some, here it is P, here it is P dash. If you taken OP is equals to H, OP is equals to H, and O dash P is equals to K or not. O dash P is equals to K or not. This is the distance is H. This distance is K or not. Enana? Now here what is the same as it is P M dash, that is a O dash L dash. So here it is what is P L dash, P L dash. So P L is equals to small y, P L dash is equals to capital Y, P L dash is equals to capital Y. So this OL, this OL, this OL can be written as OP plus PL or not, OP plus PL or not. Sorry, we have already taken the P na. Further is confusion is there. If you taken this point as Q, if you taken Q, then it is becomes O Q is H, O dash Q is equals to K. So then here it is, this value is also OL is also can be written as, OL is also can be written as OQ plus QL or not, OQ plus QL or not. This QL is also, this QL also OQ plus this QL is also, we can write O dash L dash, O dash L dash. So now what is the OL value? OL value is a small x is equals to OQ is H plus capital X. So then small x is equals to capital X plus H. So similarly, here it is, what is this value here? PL is equals to, this value we can write as PL dash plus LL dash. So PL is equals to PL dash plus LL dash can be written as O dash Q. So PL is equals to PL dash is capital Y plus O dash Q is capital K. So this value becomes as small y is equals to capital Y plus K. That meaning is, if the x comma y are original coordinates, then it is transformed as, capital X comma H comma Y plus K, capital X plus H comma Y plus K. From this value is also, we can write what is a capital X comma capital Y. From this, capital X comma capital Y is equals to small x minus H comma small y minus K. We are right or not? Small y minus K, and H comma K is equals to small x minus capital X comma small y minus capital Y. Are you understand or not here, Nana? If first point here, if H comma K is shifted origin, comma small x comma small y are original coordinates, then transformed coordinates are transformed coordinates are capital X comma capital Y is equals to small x minus H comma small y minus K. That is, if you given shifted origin and original coordinates, then the new coordinates of a point are capital X comma capital Y equals to x minus H comma Y minus K. So say it is a second point. If h comma k is shifted origin, capital X comma capital Y are original coordinate, sorry, new coordinates are transformed coordinates, then original coordinates, then original coordinates are small x comma small y is equals to capital X plus h comma capital Y plus k. So here in this one, shifted origin is given and original coordinates or transformed coordinates are given. So then to find out the original coordinates, then we have to use this formula. And the third point, so here about the curve equations, if h comma k is shifted origin, f of x comma y is equals to 0 is original equation of a curve, original equation of a curve, original equation of a curve, then the transformed, then then the transformed equation is, then the transformed equation is, no, here it is transformed equation means we have to convert into the capital X and capital Y. So we have to replace the small x is capital X plus h, and we have to replace the small y with capital Y plus k. So then it is capital X plus h comma capital Y plus k is equals to 0. So if the fourth point here, what is if h comma k is shifted origin, f of capital X comma capital Y is equals to 0 is transformed equation, then original equation of a curve is, original equation of a curve is, original equation of a curve is, here we have to replace the capital X with the small x values. So capital X equals to what is small x minus h, so we have to substitute small x minus h, and small y minus k is equals to 0. So here we discuss the problems now. The problem is here, find the coordinates, find the coordinates of the point, coordinates of the point 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2 in the new system, in the new system, in the new system, when the origin is shifted to, when the origin is shifted to, when the origin is shifted to minus 2 comma 3. We have to understand the question first. Here clearly mentioned, find the coordinates of the point in the new system. That is, we have to find out the, don't write, listen first. So find the coordinates of the point 1 comma 2 in the new system. So first we have to discuss, we have to find out the capital X comma capital Y. We have to find out the capital X comma capital Y. So here it is becomes as a small x comma small y, and origin is shifted to minus 2 comma 3. So it is a value. So given original coordinates, original coordinates small x comma small y is equals to 1 comma 2, shifted origin minus 2 h comma k is equals to minus 2 comma 3, minus 2 comma 3. So here we have to find, we have to find new coordinates, new coordinates capital X comma capital Y. We have to find out the capital X comma capital Y. We know that just now only we are seeing the formulas. We know that capital X comma capital Y is equals to, what is the formula we are written? Small x minus h comma small y minus k. So here it is capital X comma capital Y is equals to small x value is 1 minus
Yes.
of minus 2 comma y value is 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3. So capital X comma capital Y is equals to, here it is becomes as 1 plus 2 comma 2 minus 3. So here it is capital X comma capital Y is equals to 3 comma minus 1. Hence new coordinates, hence new coordinates are what is done? 3 comma minus 1.
Mine.
Second problem we have to discuss here. If minus 4 comma 3 are the coordinates of a point, are coordinates of a point in the new system, in the new system, and 2 comma 3 is shifted origin, 2 comma 3 is shifted origin, then find original coordinates, then find original coordinates. So here what is given? New coordinates are given. So new coordinates, new coordinates capital X comma capital Y is equals to minus 4 comma 3, and shifted origin is h comma k is equals to 2 comma 3. Here we have to find, we have to find original coordinates. Original coordinates means, original coordinates means we have to find out the small x comma small y, small x comma small y. So we know that, we know that small x comma small y is equals to capital X plus h comma capital Y plus k. So small x comma small y is equals to minus 4 plus 2 comma 3 plus 3. So here it is small x comma small y is equals to minus 2 comma 6, minus 2 comma 6. Hence original coordinates, hence original coordinates of a point, original coordinates of a point are minus 2 comma 6, minus 2 comma 6.